welcome. My name is Miriam and today I want to introduce a breathing technique to you called Nadi Shodhana. Nadi Shodhana is a simple form of alternate nostril breathing. And Nadi Shodhana means channel cleansing or nerve purification. And it's a wonderful breathing exercise, a technique to just bring serenity to your mind and to your body, and also to reduce stress, anxiety, frustration, depression, anger, or any other mental and emotional disorders. What we want to do with this breathing exercise is we want to balance the flow of breath between the right and the left nostril, but we also want to balance the moon and sun energy within us, or you can also call it yin and yang energy within us. The left side of our nostril and our body is the yin, the moon side, which is more feminine. So when this side is dominant, or the flow of breath through this nostril is dominant, then you might feel more calm and relaxed, but also you could feel depressed or a little bit down. And the opposite, when the right side is more dominant, which is the yang energy or sun energy, which is more masculine, then you might feel more excited, you might overthink or feel even stressed. So we want to have the balance between these two energies in our body, between these two channels. Left is Ida Nadi, and the right side is Pingala Nadi. So between these two channels, we try to balance. And for today's breathing exercise, we will perform a hand mudra to open and to close the nostrils. There are different mudras. We use Nasagra mudra today. So you use your right hand and you will split the fingers here between the ring finger and the middle finger, and you place your middle finger and index finger on your third eye center, which is quite a nice anchor point here. And you use here the ring finger and the thumb to open and to close here the nostrils, to control the flow of air. So there is no need to bend the nose all the way to the side or to close from underneath. You just press slightly, okay, to close. Also, you want to make sure when you have the arm here in front of you that the arm is not too low, so you restrict your chest because you want to breathe properly, right? So also make sure the arm is not too high, so you feel restriction in your shoulder area. Your hand is pretty relaxed. So imagine there's a string attached and someone is pulling your hand up on that string. So your arm, your hand is pretty relaxed in front of you, and you want to keep your spine long so that the energy can flow. So avoid slouching. So before we begin, I would recommend, if you're not sitting up on something already, take a block, take a folded blanket, a pillow, or you can sit on a chair so that you're able to sit upright, okay? And to begin with, just rest your hands on your thighs and close your eyes. Just feel your sit bones on the prop or on the ground or the chair beneath you. Bringing the awareness to your pelvic floor muscles. Just gently pull them in and up, so engage your pelvic floor muscles. And this is your root lock. We call this Mula Bandha. And then also engaging a slight Uddiyana Bandha as you lift the navel in and up. And just a little bit. Keep your sternum lifted, broaden across your chest, roll your shoulders back and down. And then tilt the tip of the nose just a little bit towards your breastbone. So you feel a lengthening on the back of your neck, engaging Jalandhara Bandha, our chin lock. So we want to do this to keep the energy within our body, keeping the spine long. And bringing the awareness to your tongue. And placing the tongue for Nabu Mudra to the roof of your mouth. Tip of the tongue is behind your front teeth. Yeah, that just simply helps you to keep the pelvic floor muscles slightly engaged and gives you a gentle, beautiful lift, energetic lift of your spine. Face soft, and then begin to breathe in and out through both nostrils. Just feel the flow of air through both nostrils. Just breathing in and out through the nose. Natural breath. Keep your face relaxed. Notice if there is one side maybe more dominant as you breathe, right or left side. Just observing, no judgment. And from here you take your right hand and you place your middle, your index finger on your third eye center, and just rest here without closing your nostrils yet. Get your ring finger and thumb on your nostrils, your arm in front of you, your spine long. Take a deep breath in through both nostrils, a long breath out through both nostrils. And then you close your right and breathe in just through your left. Close your left nostril, breathe out through your right. In right. Close right, breathe out through your left. In left. Close left, out right. In right. Close right, exhale left. In left. Close left, exhale right. In right. Close right, exhale left. Continue like this in your own breathing rhythm for another minute. Keep your spine upright, so avoid slouching. Breathing in your own breathing rhythm. We all have a little bit of a different breathing rhythm. And last round, and we will finish off. Take your time, there's no rush, okay? Breathing out through the left nostril where we began. And once you've finished, you slowly take your hand down, keep your eyes closed. And take a few deep breaths through both nostrils in and out. Again, just observe the flow of breath through both nostrils. And feel and observe the stillness within you. And take one more deep breath in. And a long breath out through your nose. And gently, gently open your eyes. You can do this breathing exercise any time of the day. I quite like it in the evening before I go to bed because it just helps to calm my mind. Yeah? And you can do it anytime if you just feel a bit unbalanced or if you feel stressed. Yeah? And you can do it not only 1-2 minutes, you can do it of course longer, like 3, 4, 5 minutes, however you feel. Okay? Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.